What's good, everyone? Welcome to the page. My name is Eddie Chiba. This Monday, December 21st. Happy holidays. Wish everyone healthy, COVID free, and focus. All right, now this is going to be a quick update, quick video. But before we begin, I will advise you to watch the whole video. And if it brought you value, you like what you saw, what you heard, click on that like button, that subscribe button, comment, and share as much as you like. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. Now, let's see. This is where I'm at. I'm going to show you, give you a quick update of where I'm at. Already finished two $25 boards. Has been retired. Eddie Chiba retired. Eddie Chiba retired. I'm also on a $25 board here. Let's click on this right here. Boom, right quick. And I moved up. I was a freshman, I think, last week. We gifted I forgot who. I think someone got gifted. Everyone moved up. I moved up to sophomore level. Everyone everyone moved up one slot. Right now, Mika P is the senior. She will be gifted by 8 freshmen. It's my job to invite at least 4 people because I have 2 slots here. That's the new thing right now. Every one of you can, when you first join the $25 level, if you can, join 2 slots. This way, you take full advantage of the system and you get the most out of it. See, everyone here got 2 slots. He got 2 slots. Mika had 2 slots. So um, this board splits and everyone get 2 slots, and that's the way it works. So right now I'm on this $25 level. I'm also on another $25 board, but this is a quick update. So I'm gonna make this quick video right here, and I'm also on this $100 board, which I'm a senior here, and I've been getting gifted right here. So all last week, for the past week and a half, I got gifted by about 5 people while I slept. I woke up and had money in my PayPal account and in my Zelle account, because that's how I like to get gifted, through PayPal or through Zelle. So 5 people gifted me $100. So I can actually tell you that it is working. It's working. Actually works. So you gift once when you're at the freshman level. Once you get to the senior level, you're gonna get reciprocated 8 times. So you gift once to get gifted back 8 times. All we're doing is helping each other out. We're helping each other out. We're gifting strangers, people we don't know. We're helping each other out. Now, that's basically it. So I'm here to show you that it is working and it does work. Don't be afraid. Join up, become a member. I have other videos that'll show you how to become a member, register your account, and I'll activate your back office. Don't worry about the $10 activation fee. I'm gonna waive the fee on this link. So don't even worry about that. Just $25. The only thing that's gonna come out of your pocket. That is it. So, I like to say, if you like what you heard, what you saw, and it brought you value, you want to know more, just comment. Let me know what you want to know. Like, subscribe, share the video. I don't mind. It's going to help everybody out. You know what I'm saying? So let's help each other out. Let's give each other. Let's get gifted back. And that's basically it. That's how it works. As you can see, it's working. It's working for me. I've been getting gifted. I got gifted this $200 board that I already retired twice. So from $25, I already made $400, and I'm about to be gifted another $800. So it works. So like I said, like, subscribe, comment, and share. God bless. Be safe. Happy holidays. Stay COVID free. Stay healthy. God bless everyone. Be good.